Hi everyone, today I am showing you the easiest bracelet ever. No knot, no tension, just one memory wear plus bed's perfect bracelet in 5 minutes. Let us start. Step 1. Cut the memory wire. Cut 2 to 3 coils of memory wire using a side cutter. Step 2. Make a look at one end. Use round nose pliers to make a small look at one end. This will stop beds from falling out. Step 3. String the slide beds onto the memory wire one by one. You can mix colors and sizes. Step 4. Once all beds are added, make another small look at the other end. Step 5. On the hook, take a small jump ring and open it. Attach the hook to the jump ring. Connect the jump ring to one of the bracelet loops. Close the jump ring tightly.
Step 6. Open the last loop slightly with pliers, attach the chain and close it tightly.
And finally, the bracelet is ready. Want to learn multi-layer bracelet making? Subscribe for more tutorials. How to wear a memory wear bracelet? Keep your hand straight, slightly open the bracelet. It will spring back to shape. Thank you for watching.